If your tween just got her period, there's a chance it's really irregular. Your tween might be worried that she skipped a period or that she got 2 periods in 1 month, and you're not quite sure how to deal with that. And as an adult, you're used to getting your period every 28 days, so you might not know how to navigate helping your tween have irregular periods. Hi, I'm Maddie with RedDrop, and if you have a tween entering puberty or your girl just started her period, then you've probably noticed things can be a little unpredictable at first. While irregular periods are common, especially during the first 1 to 2 years, it can still be a little unsettling and stressful for both you and your tween. In this video, we'll explore why irregular periods happen, how to manage them, how to track them, and help your tween feel more confident and prepared during this little unsettling period in her life. First, let's answer the big question. Why is your tween's period all over the place? Periods that come earlier or later or skip entirely or have heavy flows, light flows, spotting, all of that is pretty normal in the first few years of menstruation. Why does this happen? The main reason is her hormones are still regulating. In addition, things like stress, growth spurts, diet, sports and physical activity also can play a role in this. But most of the time, it's not something you need to worry about, and irregular periods are pretty harmless, aside from causing a little additional stress. If she's bleeding really heavy or having any large amounts of pain, then that would be a time to call her pediatrician or schedule an appointment with a doctor. Now that we know it's probably not a huge concern, let's talk about some beliefs and myths that a lot of women and girls still believe regarding irregular periods. Myth number 1 is that it's a problem and needs to medically be looked at. Most of the time this isn't true. It's very normal for cycles to be irregular at first, and they take a few years to become regular. Eventually they should stabilize after a few years. If her period is still irregular in a few years' time, then that might be something to get looked at. Myth number 2 is that you can't track an irregular cycle, but actually you can. Even irregular periods often have trends, and using some type of period tracker can help your daughter spot these trends and prepare for her next period better. Myth number 3 is that there's nothing you can do to prepare, but this is also not true. There's plenty you can do to prepare your daughter and help her feel more confident, and that's what I'll show you next. If you want to learn more about this and more tips to help your tween navigate her period journey, then make sure to check out the RedDrop subscription, where you'll get access to exclusive content from me. All that means is you pay $13.49 a month, you get period products shipped directly to your house, you can change the frequency of how often the products get shipped to you, and you get exclusive content from me to help you guide your tween through her period journey. Now that we've talked about your tween, let's talk about you and how we can make your life a little easier as a mom or caregiver. At RedDrop, we get it. Raising a tween is a juggling act. And that's why we've created products specifically designed to meet your tween's unique needs. And that includes tween-sized pads, so no more pads that feel like diapers, period prep kit, so she's always prepared, and educational resources for you and for her so she knows what's going on with her body. And with flexible subscription options, you'll never run out of what she needs. So what's the takeaway? Well, irregular periods are normal, and they don't have to be overwhelming if you know how to prepare for them and you know how to prepare your tween for them. By helping her track her cycle, prepare for surprises, and keeping the conversation open, you're helping her build confidence that's gonna last a lifetime. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you have questions, leave them in the description down below. And check out RedDrop's website, I'll also link that down below, for products and resources for your tween. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.